YouTube, and welcome to my channel. It's Let's Try and See. A lot of people have been requesting a very natural, no makeup look, and I brought it here. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. Hey guys, okay, so we're gonna start with our natural face, freshly washed, nice and clean. And then the first thing we're going to do is our primer. It's going to be MILANI Prime Shield. And we're going to take a nice sized dollop, about the size of a pea, and we're going to put it all over our face and rub it in really, really good. Make sure we get over our lips and over our eyes, get our forehead. We're going to try to control some of that shine. I'm a very shiny girl. Really, really good. Okay, so the next thing we're going to use, we're going to get our beauty blender, and we're going to get our Microflex Formula Super Stay Makeup from Maybelline in the color Cocoa. And that's what we're going to put on our face for our foundation. We're going to put it on the round side of the beauty blender, and then blend that all in. I'm running out of the foundation, honestly. Yeah, I had to be a little extra. But yes. So we're going to blend it in. And I'm going to concentrate on some of those dark spots on my face. I've been a bad girl. I've picked at acne marks and things, so we're going to cover that right up and blend it on in. We're going to focus more of the color on the spots that we might have, any scars. I have a line from my glasses on my nose, so I'm going to definitely focus on that. Get a little more on there and blend it in. And by the way, this is a dry beauty blender. It is dry for more coverage. So blend it in as much as you can, all over. Double checking. See if I need to catch up anything extra. And that's about it. So now the second thing I'm going to do is my highlight. And I also like to use foundation for this part too. It's going to be the Matte Poreless Foundation in color Coconut, also by Maybelline. We're going to change the beauty blender. So then we're going to go ahead and highlight. So we're going to go in under our eye in a small triangle. We're going to blend that in and work it right in until it fades into the rest of my face. And just so you know, do not rub it. Kind of like pat it in. Like pat, 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 just dot, dot, dot. And that way it can get blended in, but it's not forcing the formula into the beauty blender instead of on your face. So that's one side. And then we're going to go ahead and do the other side. And the reason I like to use the Matte and Poreless foundation, because it controls oil a little bit, and my T-zone is very, very oily. So we're going to go ahead and blend that in. Make sure we get in really, really good. Voices in my head, know me, call me, I will be restless, somehow they Then we're gonna actually conceal now. So I'm getting my LA Girl Pro Conceal in color Fawn. Let me show it to you there. And we're gonna do a smaller triangle. Oh, it looks like that one's empty. I gotta get the full one. Sorry about that. But yeah, now this is a slightly lighter color as a concealer, and it's to brighten our eyes. So brighten under our eyes. If we've had any late nights or anything, color that right up. That's what we're doing. We're gonna go ahead and try to perfect those triangles, and then go ahead and get our beauty blender once again and blend that out again. And remember to pat, don't rub. Pat, 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 pat. Now, I'm being very, very detailed, and I'm taking my time with this video so that everybody can follow the steps in real time. If you're a beginner, this is your first time trying to do some makeup, I am here for you. We're going to continue to blend until it starts to fade into our face. There we go. The best we can. I'm sorry, I have a terrible laugh. So then we're going to get our LA Girl Pro Concealer to contour. And it's going to be in the color Mahogany. I'm sorry. This time we're going to use a short amount, like a little short line, because a little goes a long way. So you don't want to use too much, and then you'll be looking a lot darker than you actually are. Nothing's wrong with being chocolate, but if it's not your complexion, it's not your complexion. So we're going to go in and blend it in. Remember, notice how I am still patting, not rubbing. Just patting it on in. That's the side of the line, so now I'm going to go ahead and pat that in. We're basically trying to slim our face just a little bit. Try to make our cheeks poke out. I have kind of a roundish kind of face, so I want it to look slightly longer or thinner. So once that's blended in, we move on to the next step. And that is our Shea Moisture bronzer. It's in Mandalay Dusk, and it is a very nice contour. So what we're doing is we're setting our contour with this bronzer from Shea Moisture. Now we're going to set our foundation, and this is Black Radiance powder, and it's in the color Cafe. And we're going to use our big fluffy brush, and we're going to just set the rest of the foundation. This is my complexion color, so it is in Cafe once again. Blend it in, soften any lines that I can see. And now we're going to get our True Complexion Contour Palette. I'm going to open it up to this middle color here. And that is to sculpt. Okay, so we're going to get this fluffy angled brush. And we're going to take that color, and we're going to kind of draw a line down the side of our face to kind of like the illusion of our cheekbones poking out a little more. That's the whole reason for that. I'm gonna kind of draw the line and then like blend it in. Every step you do, you blend. Keep on blending. There we go. So now the next step will be getting a smaller fluffy brush. Notice the difference. And you're gonna still stay in that True Complexion contour palette, and you're gonna get that highlight color and very gently rub some of that gold over your highlight areas just to kind of give you like a little bit of a glow. But since we're doing very, very natural makeup, we're not trying to put too much glow. We're not kind of trying to blow them out of the water, just something very subtle. So we're gonna do that on both sides, right where the sun hits you on your face. Right there. There we go. Then we're gonna get our Black Radiance dark powder. It's in Mahogany. We're gonna get this little small fluffy brush. We're not using it to contour. We're gonna go over our eyes because this is a natural, no makeup look. So we're gonna take a slightly darker color than our skin tone, and we're gonna start using it as eyeshadow, basically. And basically create like a very, 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 very soft smoky eye. Super soft, like barely there. And the next thing we're gonna do is grab this flat brush in our contour palette once again. Grab the flat brush, there we go. And we're going to go into the sculpt once more time. And we're going to do the top of our mobile lid. And since we already put the darker brown on that smoky eye area, that even though that color is the same color as our skin tone, it does look lighter. So it's kind of a natural transition, and then just blend that in. You can stop here, but I'm gonna move forward. I'm going to take this eyeliner, and it's just a normal black liner. It's nothing special. And I'm gonna line my eyes very lightly because I am a person that likes liner. So very lightly, just enough to show up. It doesn't have to be jet black or anything like that unless that's your preference. So we're gonna go ahead and line it. Take your time. If you mess up, you can just smudge it out and use a very, very soft hand because your eyelids are very sensitive areas anyway. They're the thinnest part of our body. We don't want to wrinkle those too soon. We're going to line the second eye. And we're going to just take our time to make sure they match. And there we go. So the next thing I'm going to do is lashes. Yes, lashes. I love lashes. You can also stop here, but we're going to move forward and get some lashes in. So, here I am getting my lashes together. I'm putting the glue on the lash. And lashes have always been one of my struggles. That was my 2017 goal, to learn how to do lashes, and it's still a struggle. So I love lashes. I can't go without them if I'm dressing up, but yeah, they kick my butt when I'm trying to put them on. So here I am trying to take my time, and what you want to do with the lashes is when you close your eye, you can end up seeing that line there that you already drew, and you're going to try to connect the lash band with that line as close as possible to your lashes, to your actual natural lashes. And then here I'm pinching them together. Now these lashes are not anything special. They're just beauty supply store lashes. They don't barely have a name. So please don't ask me what the name. I took them out of the pack. I don't even have the name. So, but you can just find them at your local beauty store. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the second lash on. And it's basically following the same process. It's going to be a very thin line of blue. And I'm going to close my eye. And I'm going to aim that lash at that black line that I drew. That's another reason why I like to wear liner, because it helps give you a place to aim. And then you're going to try to get them as close as your natural lash as you possibly can, and then squeeze them that way together. So here I go, trying to put that in. And I'm going to just pinch. Now, if you're noticing that I did not do anything to my eyebrows, it's because I did henna brows, and you don't really have to do anything after that. So I didn't even highlight my eyebrows because we're going for a natural look. I didn't want to do anything extra to them. And if you're interested in seeing how to do henna brows, you can click the next video. So here I am lining my lips, just with any old brown liner. Like I said, these are just random liners that I get from the beauty supply store or the dollar store, because I am a beautician on a budget. And then this lipstick is from Wet n Wild, and it is in the color Pink Sugar, and it is a very matte nude. So as you can see, it kind of went on a little bit rough, but that's because not only is the lipstick nude, but I had some EOS chapstick on, and they kind of got in a fight. So you'll see me kind of like puckering my lips a lot and trying to go back and reline to make it blend, because you can wear any lipstick as long as you have a liner. It doesn't matter what the color is. Light, dark, it does not matter. Okay, so that's about my final look. I am gonna go put my wig on, and I will take some pictures so you can see what this looks like in natural light. Be right back.